Welcome to the world of waterfalls. Nature's spectacular landforms that captivate our senses and reveal the dynamic processes of our planet. In this journey, we'll explore what waterfalls are, how they form, and the vital roles they play in our ecosystems. A waterfall occurs when river water flows over a sudden vertical drop or cliff, creating a stunning display of nature's power. These interruptions in river flow can vary greatly in height and width, resulting in cascades. Take Niagara Falls, for example. Renowned for its vast volume of water, it straddles the border between the United States and Canada, attracting millions of visitors each year. Or consider Angel Falls in Venezuela, which plunges a staggering 807 meters, making it the highest waterfall on Earth. This natural wonder not only inspires awe, but also showcases the forces of erosion at work. Waterfalls can form under various geological conditions. One common cause is the transition between different rock types. When a river crosses from hard rock to softer rock, it tends to erode the soft rock more quickly. This geological contrast is crucial in determining the location and height of many waterfalls. Tectonic activity also plays a role in the formation of waterfalls. When faults bring together hard and soft rocks, the interaction can create stunning falls. Additionally, glacial activity leaves behind elevated tributary valleys, forming spectacular waterfalls like Yosemite Falls in California, which tumbles down from a hanging valley shaped by ancient glaciers. As water cascades down, it often forms a plunge pool, a basin carved out by the force of the falling water. This basin deepens over time, which enhances the erosive power of the water. The continued force of the water creates a cycle of erosion that can lead to the eventual collapse of the cliff face, causing the waterfall to retreat upstream. For instance, at Niagara Falls, it has retreated approximately 11 kilometers from its original position over thousands of years. Beyond their visual splendor, waterfalls play a crucial role in local ecosystems. They provide habitats for a variety of flora and fauna, supporting biodiversity and creating unique microclimates that sustain diverse plant species. The turbulent waters at the base of waterfalls often create rich feeding grounds for fish and other aquatic life, contributing to the health of the entire ecosystem. Waterfalls are not just natural wonders, they also serve as vital resources for human communities. Many are popular tourist attractions that drive local economies. Recreational activities such as hiking, photography, and water sports draw visitors from around the globe, fostering a connection between nature and humanity. Each waterfall is a testament to the ongoing forces of nature, a reminder of our interconnectedness with the environment, and an invitation to explore the wild beauty that exists in our world.